Whether they're looking a bit tired or you just want to give your bathroom a fresh update, painting bathroom cabinets is an easy way to breathe new life into your space. And it's way more cost-effective than replacing an entire bathroom vanity. Choose a great color and then gather these supplies, all of which can be found at your local Benjamin Moore retailer. Like all DIY projects, success starts with solid preparation. You'll want to remove all items from your bathroom vanity and thoroughly clean the cabinets and surrounding area using a damp cloth and use a degreaser if necessary. If you need to use a degreaser, be sure to rinse with fresh water to keep the surface contaminant-free. Lay a drop cloth around your workspace to protect it from sanding dust and paint drips. Next, remove drawers and doors from the cabinet frame and remove all hardware, hinges, knobs, and pulls. Be sure to put screws and hardware in a safe place so you can easily reassemble once your project is complete. Now use painter's tape to cover any surface on or near your bathroom vanity that you don't want to paint. If your bathroom vanity has been previously painted or coated, use a medium grit sandpaper to remove the clear coat or any uneven paint. Once smooth, use a fine grit sandpaper for light sanding. Always work with the grain of wood and not against it. Then vacuum any sanding dust and use a microfiber towel to remove any residual dust. With a damp cloth, thoroughly clean the surface of your bathroom vanity and all drawers and doors. Once the surface has dried, use a large paintbrush or 4-inch roller to apply an even coat of Inslux Sticks primer to the cabinet frame and each drawer and doors, laying them flat to avoid trips and sagging for a more uniform finish. If you're going from a dark color to a light one, you may need to use 2 coats of primer. Be sure to allow for drying before painting additional coats. After the primer is dry, use a roller or large paintbrush to apply advanced interior paint, which offers a smooth, furniture-like finish. Coat evenly on every surface, and then switch to a smaller brush to cover any details and smooth out paint corners or edges. Let the first coat dry, and then repeat the process with the second coat. Lightly sand in between coats for a super smooth finish. Dry times can vary, so be sure to read all paint and primer instructions carefully. A few hours may be required between applications, but you may need to wait a few days before reassembling doors and drawers. Now that the paint is cured, reattach any hardware you removed and replace each door and drawer in its correct location. And don't forget, your local Benjamin Moore retailer is always available if you need advice. And check out the Benjamin Moore online store, where you can order paint online and pick it up at your local Benjamin Moore retailer.